How to fix Meta Business Suite not posting to Instagram. So if you want to fix Meta Business Suite not posting to Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your stable internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Meta Business Suite. And under Meta Business Suite, make sure that you have updated the application. Make sure that you have an updated version. If you have any updates under your Meta Business Suite, you need to just go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply go back and then find your Meta Business Suite application. Once you find it, you need to go with the app info. You'll find the app info option. If you press and hold on to that application for a few seconds, once you're in your app info, you will find the storage and cache section. Tap on storage and cache. Under storage and cache, you need to go and clear the cache of your Meta Business Suite. Once you've done that, you need to just go back and then find your Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is also updated, and then tap and hold on to your Instagram, and then you'll find an app info section. You need to tap on app info, and here you need to scroll down, go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, and also clear the cache of your Instagram. Once you've done this, you need to relaunch the Meta Business Suite application, or just restart your device at first and then relaunch, and it will fix your issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.